All right, this is going to be my project for week 7. It's created by me. The object I found is this golden catfish. A little bit of information about it is that it's 3.3 inches long. It's made of 84% gold, 10% silver, 6% copper. The carbon-14 test was actually ran on the clay and dirt from the underside of this goldfish, as the test can only be ran on organic matter. So the metal compounds that it's made out of were not able to be tested. This catfish is from the Grand Cochlear culture. The sample taken was 0.55 grams, which is less than the mass of an apple seed. It was determined that the sample that was collected was from approximately 1,570 years before present, with a margin of 30 years. The article made sure to mention that present was established in 1950, so it would have been 1,570 years before 1950. This is the equation that we will be looking at to figure out the ending amount of carbon-14. In the image, you can see the slit that was the underside of the catfish. This is where the sample was actually taken from. Substituting in values, as you can see here, we start with our initial equation. The T stands for time, the K is the decay rate, AO is the initial amount, and A is the ending amount. Down here you can see I swapped in the time for the years that it was determined that the golden catfish was old. The decay rate of carbon-14 is substituted in for K. Our initial amount is going to be 100, and then the ending amount is our unknown. Once we swap these numbers into our top equation here, this is the equation that we get. Copying the initial equation from the last slide, we start here. We solve this first, which gives us an exponent of this. After entering into the calculator for E to the negative 0.18997, we get 0.826984. If you take that times the 100, it gives you a final ending amount of 82.6984. So now you can see over here, our time was 1,570 years ago. Decay rate of carbon-14 is here, the initial amount here, and then our ending amount is no longer unknown, it's right here. So in conclusion, given only the determination of how old the golden catfish was, we substituted in the values into the decay rate formula. After working the equation, we were able to determine that the percentage of carbon-14 found was 82.6984%. Thank you and have a great day.